In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bank deposit account in HoneyBook. To get started, log into your HoneyBook account and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're signed in, head to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where HoneyBook keeps your business and payment-related preferences, so it's the right place to update deposit information. After that, select the Company tab. Inside this section, look over to the left sidebar and click Bank Details. This page contains the information connected to where your payouts are sent, so it's important to take your time here and review everything carefully. Once you're on the Bank Details page, locate the Bank Account section. In that area, you should see your current connected bank account. Next to it, click View and Edit. This opens the account details so you can make changes. Before entering anything new, review the current bank account information displayed on the screen. This helps you confirm that you're editing the correct account and gives you a chance to compare the old details with the new ones you're about to add. When you're ready, enter the details for the new bank account exactly as required. Be especially careful with numbers, since even a small typo can delay deposits or cause verification issues. After entering the new information, verify the bank account details. Double-check the account and routing information, along with any other required fields, to make sure everything is accurate. Accuracy is especially important when updating financial settings, so it's worth taking an extra moment here. Depending on your account and HoneyBook's security process, you may also need to complete additional verification steps. Follow the prompts on the screen to finish any required verification. This might include confirming account ownership or completing another security check before the update can be finalized. Once everything has been reviewed and verified, save the updated bank account details. After saving, return to the bank details page. This final check is important because it lets you confirm that the changes were applied successfully. Now, look again at the bank account section and confirm that the new bank account is displayed there. If you can see the updated account information listed, that means your deposit account has been changed successfully, and that's it. You've now updated your bank deposit account in HoneyBook. Thanks for watching.